This is an energy update. If you are feeling heaviness, irritability, maybe anger surfacing, there's a lot happening in our universe, in our atmosphere. For example, Mercury just turned retrograde yesterday, the 9th. What is that? Mercury is the planet of communication, so you may find that anger erupts between you and someone close to you. Breakups can happen, people can leave the planet. Mercury retrograde is a 3 to 4 week transit. It's actually a time when the planet Mercury appears to be traveling backwards or stopped, so it makes communication difficult. So if you have a contract, read the fine print carefully. Read it twice or 3 times before signing anything. Be sure you know what you are signing. Contractual obligations signed during a Mercury retrograde can significantly be slowed and have difficulties. So those are some of the things. But also, Venus just went into Scorpio on Thursday, October 6th. What does that mean? Well, Venus and Scorpio don't really work well together. Scorpio, and I am one of those. Scorpio has a lot to do with emotions, and you may find yourself feeling a storm of emotions coming up, and rather than allow yourself to, go off into a rage, stay calm inside, be present with what you're feeling, allow yourself to process these things as opposed to erupt. That could save you a relationship or two. Okay, let's see what else. So Scorpio stirs up emotions. It is Scorpios are known for going deep inside. It is about about the unaliving word and transformation. That is what Scorpio is all about. And so we are going to be in this energy until November 29th, when Mercury turns direct. The other thing that is going to be impaired or challenged is travel. So if you're planning to go somewhere for Thanksgiving, you may want to drive as opposed to fly. Leave yourself plenty of time and be careful of road rage. So these are things that can turn up during a Mercury retrograde. I've experienced many of these. You don't want to get engaged or married during a retrograde. You don't want to break up with your partner during this time, because it is likely it will not hold and you may go back to the partner. So wait until the 29th of November. It's going to be, a little bumpier than usual. So knowing what we're experiencing, you may already be feeling these feelings. I woke up feeling heavy. Even though I slept well, I felt tired, just kind of laden with, couldn't even say what it was. But sensing this energy around is why I'm doing this little update for you. I hope it helped. I'd like to hear, how has the Mercury retrograde affected you so far? Have you had arguments with friends, lovers, partners, exes? So just remember that each emotional storm that comes up, that is stirred up, is an opportunity for you to rise above, move through the emotion, feel it fully, breathe into it, take a deep breath, exhale through the mouth, and do that for 20 minutes or more to work through the emotion as opposed to stuffing it. Choose to control the chaos within, sit in silence, meditate, spend time by yourself, do self-care. And if you have questions, let me know. And absolutely, I do private sessions. And here we are coming up on big travel days. So just beware, take precautions, give yourself extra time, and do your best to move through those emotions that you're experiencing, this intense restlessness, irritability, let's see what else, short tempers, and that sort of thing. Much love to you. Stay calm, stay in peace, and stay in love with you.